Today's tiny Tex-Mex painting is some Bluebell ice cream. I did not have any Bluebell ice cream in my freezer, so we had to pull some inspo pics off of the internet. And yeah, I could probably went to the store and got a gallon for, scientific purposes, but I did not. So I just kind of made some little marks to know where I was going to put things. And then I'm going to do a thin oval for the top. Remember, we're just drawing shapes. And then it's kind of a rounded rectangle underneath it, and then I draw a slightly curved line for the bottom because it's not going to be straight across, and then 2 lines down on each side, and that's it. You've made a carton of ice cream. And fun fact, Bluebell I think is one of the only ice cream manufacturers that still has a true half gallon. So there you go. For the color of the carton, I did use some lemon yellow and some buff titanium. And oh, hello, Neo, little guy. And I am just painting in, kind of using wet on wet, and just kind of playing and experimenting. For the rim, I'm using Beam Paints. That's B-E-A-M, Beam Paints, and it's Dreamer's Gold is the name of it. It's a really pretty color. And I'm going to use that for the rim because the rim of Bluebell ice cream is gold. And I'm just carefully doing that. And now I'm kind of going back over the carton. I wasn't entirely happy with the color, so I was just kind of glazing over another layer of buff titanium to hopefully mute it out and make it look not so yellow. But, and now, I guess I didn't really paint gold the first time. Here we go. We're going to paint gold now. Maybe, I wonder why I have that out of order. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We're painting the gold now. And I do several layers of this, and you'll probably see that in the video. But I do several layers because the gold is shimmery and it's transparent and it's not like opaque. So I have to give it several different coats. And again, I'm not happy with with the carton, so I kind of going back to try to lift some color. And to lift color, you just clean up your brush and swipe across, and it lifts the color up and hopefully makes it a little bit lighter. I'm wanting the center to be kind of light-ish. And then for the top there, you can see a little bit of the top in my inspo pic, so I am putting some of that same buff titanium and lemon yellow on top as well. And here I am going in with another coat of the gold because just didn't feel like it was dark enough. And right here I'm trying to take away, I'm lifting again the paint, and you see me wiping it. Well, you can't see me wiping off on the towel, but I'm wiping it off on a towel to kind of give it that little shine, that little highlight that you see in my inspo pic. And then I'm going over it again. That's the thing, I fuss and, with my paintings a little bit. Now to write Bluebell ice cream, I just folded down my little inspo pic so I could kind of have a guide there. And I'm writing it in a pencil. And then I'm just going to go back with my pencil art brush pen or maybe, let me see what I used. Maybe I used my, regular Faber-Castell 0.05 pen. Either way, you can use whatever you want. You could use a Sharpie. You could use a felt tip pen. And I'm just trying to, I'm using a colored pencil here. And then I actually didn't like how the colored pencil was looking. So, and I'm not sketching these figures at the bottom 100% realistically or to my inspo pic. I'm just giving the impression of those shapes, and we're going to hope for the best. And I am going back over it with my pencil or brush pen because I didn't really like how the colored pencil was looking. I was trying to do trying something different and exploring with my art supplies, and I just didn't really like how it was turning out. So I go in with some lamp black and fill in some of the spots with that. And because I am who I am, I'm outlining the Bluebell carton because I like how that looks. And I think it just gives it that look that I really enjoy in my own art. You don't have to do that if you don't like how it turns out. That's the thing. You could do, it's your art. You can do it any way you want to. I'm also writing in Just more of what shows on the carton. Is it 100% perfect? No. Is it exactly what the carton says? I mean, it says what the carton says, but it's not perfectly, realistic looking. But that's okay. I think it turned out cute. And you know what it is. I think it turned out great. Thanks y'all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate the company. And I hope that when you see me paint that you get encouraged, and I hope you maybe think to yourself, hey, I could do that. Because I like to show you, I don't practice these things usually ahead of time, except maybe a quick sketch, because I want to show you real life and a real creative process without all the fancy, practiced 8 times ahead of time. I want you to see what real life art looks like, and it can be for you as well. I hope you'll join me again, and I'll see you at my next video. Bye.